You should also get that satisfaction that, and also the people, good people of Ram County to confirm that their senator has capacity or has no capacity.
And Mr.
So you allow, maybe on that matter, we stop it there until I get the answer.
And I'm
during the
hoping
next sitting.
the Hansard will capture the emotion of the member, because to offend a member is an emotional impact.
Senator Kajwang, it is so honored.
Thank you.
I want us now to make progress. But there is one thing also that I, as the chair, I should also give some, I want also some clarification when I'm presiding here. Senator Cherargei, is your vice chair. And when you are describing him, you said he does not chair a committee. So I'm wondering, do you at any time even think remotely that when you are not around, you can chair your committee? So, so that is another area that I really which wanted some clarification, so that also vice chairs can know whether they can chair committees in the absence of the chairs. Senator Cherargei, proceed.
Mr. Speaker, just